Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 4-door Jeep Wrangler. Customer called and inquired about putting a lift kit on. They wanted to put some larger rims and tires on the vehicle, kind of give it their own personal look. We said, yeah, we would be more than happy to take a look at that. Talked with them and picked out the appropriate lift kit for the vehicle based on the size of tire that they wanted to install. Removed the shocks and springs as this lift kit requires. Reinstalled the new shocks and springs with an additional spacer in the front to make the vehicle a little bit more level, to allow for the turning radius for the larger rims and tires without any rubbing. You can see from the photos here there is a little bit of work involved as far as removing those suspension components, being the shocks and the springs, as well as installing the additional spacer to give it a little bit extra lift in the front to level it out. We got the rims and tires on, made sure there was no rubbing while turning. We realigned the vehicle just to make sure everything was in good shape so they could get maximum tire wear out of their new purchase. If this is something that you're interested in or would like to do to your own personal vehicle, put a little personal touch on it, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.